Everyone, in today's video we will fix a Frigidaire stand-up freezer. Keep beeping. Temp alarm, door seal or reset guide. The fixed one, you can check if the door is open. Make sure the freezer door is fully closed. Press the door firmly until you hear it seal. Check if sometimes inside is blocking the door and wait around 1 to 2 minutes to see if the beeping stop. In fix 2 you can reset the high temperature alarm. Look at the control panel, press the alarm reset or set button, wait a few minutes for the temperature to go back to normal, and then you can move to the next fix, the check the temperature setting. So the fix 3, here you can open the control panel, make sure the temperature is set between 0 Fahrenheit means minus 18 degrees Celsius. Then adjust if needed and close the door properly. Now we move to our final fix. Inspect the door gasket. Check the rubber seal around the door. Look for dirt, cracks or gap. Clean it with warm water and a cloth and replace the gasket if damaged. Goodbye.